Our Sage software was so limited, there wasn't a whole lot of data we were bringing over. We set a really aggressive timeline. That was the part that kind of surprised me when we first started the discussions. I think we engaged in like September, and I think we said we wanted to be live by the end of the year. And I think your team was like, yeah, I think we can make that happen, right? And sure as shit, we made it happen. That's that feeling of this is going to be successful, because no matter what, I have a person who's extremely knowledgeable on the product that I can reach at basically a moment's notice, and they can keep me going over any hiccup. The fact that we can have that support going through the implementation is fantastic.